In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn. Posting on LinkedIn is a fantastic way to share updates, insights, and news with your professional network. Whether you're an experienced marketer, a job seeker, or just someone looking to engage more deeply with your connections. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're well equipped to make a compelling and effective post. First things first, let's head to LinkedIn. Open your internet browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once LinkedIn's homepage loads, you'll be greeted with two primary options: Join Now for new users and Sign In for existing users. Since we're focusing on posting, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Enter your login credentials, your email and password, and you'll be on your way to accessing your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. This is where all the latest posts from your network are displayed. Now, it's your turn to contribute. Look towards the top of the page, and you'll notice a button that says Start a Post. Click on that, and a new window will appear, inviting you to share your own update with the world. In the text box that appears, you can type your content. This is where your creativity and professionalism meet. Think about what you want to communicate. Is it a company announcement, a personal achievement, or something informative you believe others would benefit from? Draft your message clearly and concisely, keeping in mind the audience you're addressing. Remember, LinkedIn is a professional platform, so aim to maintain a tone that's both approachable and respectful. If you have files you want to include, such as images, PDFs, or links, to make your post more engaging or informative, you can easily add them as well. Look for the small icons at the bottom of the post window. Clicking the appropriate one will allow you to upload files directly from your computer. Including visuals or additional documents can make your post stand out and provide more context or detail to your message. So take advantage of this feature carefully. Once you've typed out everything you want to say and added any additional files, take a moment to review your post. Check for any grammatical errors or typos. This final check ensures that what you're broadcasting to your network is polished and professional. After reviewing, hit the Post button, and voila! You've just posted on LinkedIn. By sharing your insights and updates, you're not only keeping your network informed, but also enhancing your personal or organizational brand within your industry. Happy posting!